Alright guys, welcome back for another video. This video I'm going to be showing you my ticket pulls, as well as I'm not sure what just happened. It is now 2:29 a.m. and I got another 10, so we're also going to be doing those at the end of this video. Let's jump right into it. If you find this video entertaining or helpful, leave a like, and if you want to see future videos, be sure to subscribe. Alright, we are going to be doing our 10 tickets that we got from logging in. Well, I guess 11 since the daily login bonus. So glad we're technically getting, I think, about 3 free multis on this draw. Let's get into it, see how our luck pans out. Alright, widescreen, probably not anything. Oh, 3-star. Aruna. Right, that was one down. 10 to go. Alright, at least a 4-star. Second ticket. I could use Phobio or Space Shuna. Space Shion, sorry. Oh my gosh. Second ticket. Hell yeah, this is the first 5-star I've got from these tickets, so this is... Oh, I gotta go check the stats. Alright, that's sick. I haven't done any pulls other than the free tickets since the first banner, so that's pretty sweet. Not gonna lie, I will take it 100%. It was about time, I feel like. Hell yeah. Alright, just another 3-star. Kenya, alright, good. I can use some more Kenyas. Mine's not 5-star yet. Dang, my heart's still pounding. Another daytime pull, so we'll see how this goes. Wow, I was talking about getting a 4-star too. That's just quite amazing. I think of the kids, Gale is probably the worst, but we'll see how he ends up in the future. Another daytime here. Alright, 3-star. Kurobe. This is actually good because I think he has his use in the Colossus fight. And he's not 5-star yet. Another daytime, Can we get some more Kenyas? I've been trying out Kenya in some master fights. Got pretty close to taking down Charybdis. Another Gale. Daytime. Three-star. Word. Daytime again. more Kenya. I'll take it. Looks like we have 3 more tickets to go. So far, I think 7 3 stars and 1 5-star. Another Kenya. Haruna. Nope. That ain't it. Daytime again. Reason why I let these animations play out is I just like watching them, and I feel like if you watch them, is, you know, a chance these 3 stars turn to 4 stars. Yes, or Kenya. Alright, one last ticket. No fake outs. Well, I guess the first one was kind of a fake out. Not really. No. Alright, last saw. So 3 stars and 1 5-star. Alright, I'm still happy with those. Still. Alright, now we're gonna go check out our extra 10 free pulls. I don't know where they came from, so let's get into them. Oh, starting off with the what's it called? Evening. Please be a good one. Alright, so I actually literally just used him to beat the Charybdis Master, so he's pretty good. Daytime. Right, 3-star Haruna again. Daytime. So far, 1 5-star, 1 4-star, and the rest 3-star. Gobuchi. It's kind of weird you can't do multi pulls with these 10 tickets they're giving us, but you know, can't really complain too much since we're getting free units or free copies. Alright, Karobe. Daytime again. Alright, sweet. Getting very close to 5-star Kenya now. Evening, sweet. Oh my goodness, no way. Cause I'm removing you from this forest. Trainee? Sweet, I don't have trainee yet. Awesome. Alright. Now maybe I could do a master video for Space Millum. Sweet. Oh. Don't. Nighttime again. Alright, 4-star. Chloe. I don't actually really know what Chloe does, or if she really has an application in the game so far. Daytime. That was pretty good run. It was a 4-star, 5-star, 4-star, I think. Alright. Must be getting close to being able to awaken her again. Daytime. Three-star. Alice, sweet. I do have her 5-star, but yeah, it'd be pretty cool to get her up to 6-star. Daytime again. And I believe this was our last pull, so see how it goes. Alright, 4-star, sweet. Sky Dragon. Alright, nice. I don't have a 5-star Dark Protector, so Sky Dragon does it for me. Alright, pretty good pulls. That is what I was able to get. If you want to see more videos from me, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.